Hello, my name is Kendall Rooney, and today I'm going to be discussing Module 1, Understanding the Learner. Give a little background about myself and our district. It's USD 416 in Lewisburg, Kansas. Last year I had the opportunity to start out as a para in our middle school, and then by second semester there was an opportunity that came open to help teach our Tech 1, 2, and 3 classes with an emergency sublicense, and that opportunity led to another opportunity being able to get into Fort Hays State and teaching 5 business classes at our high school and 1 Tech 3 class at our middle school. I also am the assistant football coach for 8th grade football and also the assistant softball coach at our high school. And in the free time that I find, I'm also help with our local FBLA chapter. Every day I try to make my classroom a better place, one choice and one child at a time. We do have 5 schools in our district. Circle Grove is pre-K, Rockville Elementary is K through 2nd, Broadmoor is 3rd through 5th, Lewisburg Middle School is 6th through 8th, and our high school is 9th through 12th. I chose Erickson's Psychosocial Stages of Development. I really feel that starting out with the trust or mistrust is huge in everybody's life. And it carries throughout your entire life. And his ideology of having to master something, a new task or a new challenge in each stage of your life, I really agree with it. I believe in it, and I feel like I live it every day. The main ones we're going to be talking about today, though, is age 12 to 18, identity versus confusion for middle school and high schoolers, and also threw in there the generativity versus stagnation for age 30 through 64, which I'm currently in myself. Identity versus confusion. Erickson says, this step is experiment with the development of identity and roles. I teach middle school and high school students, as I said earlier, and on a daily basis I see kids struggle with this all the time. And just standing out in the hallways between classes and talking with kids during class and sports, it's almost like I can see those cartoon think bubbles above their head, and I can just see them stepping into something new, and you see that blank look on their face, like, am I good enough? Am I smart enough? Am I strong enough? Do the other kids like me? Am I cool enough? All these questions, about safety and home life, and wow, that kid's got new shoes on, and he's got this, and she has that, and just always questioning themselves instead of just being positive and really wanting to challenge themselves and grow, and understand that means failing sometimes, and then that's how you grow and how you learn, is by making mistakes and failing, but getting back up and really moving on with it and staying positive. That's the fun part of me, especially through coaching, is to watch a kid at the end of the season, boy or girl at any age, and see them struggling and see them listen and work, and by the end of the season they're all over it, and it's just a blast to watch that kind of growth. I really enjoyed the video, Education Line with Healthy Child Development with Sue Rafi. I loved her imaginary world, and I think I see some of that in reality some days, and other days I feel like, man, if we could ever get to that point, it would be absolutely awesome to see something like that attained at any level, and in a full district, even in starting a building, and grow from there, and get larger and larger. So I really enjoyed the way she kind of gave you a big picture look at multiple kids coming from different diverse backgrounds, home life, socioeconomical, mental, sped kids, regular learning kids, all those things just really, and it made you think, wow, is it really that far away? Can we get there? And if we can, how do we get there faster, more efficient, more productive, so that we are there for the kids and understand that those kids are the reason we do what we do. And if you've lost that passion, to find that passion and really just move forward and stay positive with it. Thank you. I really enjoyed this lesson. It's opened my eyes to just different ways to think about situations when I'm working with kids, and understand that they are still developing physically and mentally, and especially emotionally these days. And, trying to create a safe environment for my students, whether they're in my class, whether I coach them, or whether I just see them in the hallway, knowing that they can come to me and we can have a conversation and try to build that relationship so that they stay positive, I stay positive, and we all grow together. Thanks, and have a great one.